Hello, my name is Derek Collins, and I'm a rural animator for the town of Vermilion and Vermilion area. Sitting here with my coffee and probably my backwards letters in this video, but yeah, my role in the community is, I guess, as an interested community member. I do sit on our local FCSS board, but I also help out with our local food bank and do some other wellness and mental health promotion in town through Lakeland College and some other places. I just kind of bounce around the town. So that's kind of my role there. We're really lucky. I've always been proud that as I've gotten to know and lived here for the last couple decades, that we just have a lot of groups that are working to provide services to our citizens and all that. We have different coalitions. We have a mental health capacity building project we call VIBE, helping out with the younger students and the families. Our schools are quite active in our community. Our health professionals through our primary care network are very involved. We just have a lot of groups of people who are trying to find different ways. And I can't forget our local churches, and they have some organizations that help out and kind of fill in those gaps. We're quite lucky that way. A really good volunteer base. I'm quite proud of them. I certainly feel this quite personally. We have I'm certainly feeling quite separated. In a rural community, even though we live apart, I'm noticing that those get-togethers at coffee shops and visiting at work and walking down the sidewalk to see how everybody's doing, that has just been a challenge, and different people are handling it different. We're trying the different messages and picking up a phone like we used to do in the old days and developing that, but it's been a bit of a barrier to quickly call a meeting and have our monthly chats. We're getting used to Zoom, and like everybody else I'm sure is, but I know myself personally, I just really love dropping by somebody's office and having a chat and seeing what we can do and what our next steps are. So that makes me feel like that we're missing some information, or maybe I'm worried that maybe there's some gaps that people are following through. So I'm kind of worried that some of our challenges, maybe are we losing touch of some places and some people that we know that maybe are more in need or on a higher risk, or maybe even missing some of those people that can provide some resources. What's always amazed me about our community is, and I guess I see this through my involvement with the food bank, for example, is I've had quite a number of phone calls recently and just saying, how's the food bank doing, and from some different places, some not abnormal, what I was going to say, but some from unexpected positions, some businesses, some people from home are just phoning up, say, what can I do? I can deliver food. I can make some deliveries. I would like to make a donation. I had a young boy that phoned me up and just said, since he doesn't spend his allowance on some of the other things, popping down to the convenience store, is that he wanted to make a donation to the food bank. So that has been awesome, and I'm seeing through some of my emails and contacts that people are ready to step up and just saying, hey, what can I do? And so I think that's going to be our next challenge, is just making sure we can communicate that, find those people that need that, finding who needs help and finding who can provide that help. So that's kind of how we're adjusting in our rural mental health project, and just trying to get some just good information out there that's, again, people have stepped up to share, gathered information about store closures and store hours and adjustments. So it's making sure we can share that information. Sharing is easy with the internet, but not everybody has that, so that's how we're working for. So that's our message and how we're doing in the town of Vermilion. I look forward to seeing and hearing from other people around. Hope you're staying safe and well and looking after yourself and relaxing. So see you later. Bye.